Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 7th, chapter 4, simple equations, part 2. Students, what you are going to learn from this video? From this video you will be able to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.2. So let us begin. Students, you have to write these all sums in your CW book. So question number 3's first sum is 3n minus 2 plus 2. 3n minus 2 is equals to 46. Now students, here I have used systematic method. While teaching in the live class, I also taught the transposition method. Students, from these two methods, whichever method you like the most, you may follow. Now this is systematic method where the opposite of the left hand side where the equation has one letter, that side tells you that which numbers opposite you are going to take on both the side. So here 3n minus 2 is there, and as you can see we are going to follow addition subtraction first and then multiplication and division while we are solving the equations. See, regularly what we do, we follow DMAS, that is DMAS, division, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. But when you are solving the equations, you have to follow ASDM, ASDM, A for addition, S for subtraction, D for division, M for multiplication. So here we are using ASDM method, so that here first of all minus 2's opposite we are using to add on both the side. That is adding 2 to both the side, because here it is negative 2. So when you add plus 2 on both the side, what happens next? You know, this minus 2 and this plus 2 get cancelled, and the remaining is only 3n, which we copy down. So now we are going to solve this. 46 plus 2 will get the answer 48. Now after us, that is addition and subtraction, next turn is DUM, that is DM, division, multiplication. So as you can see, 3n is in multiplication form. So what opposite we are going to do? We are going to take divide 3 on both the side. So here bracket comes and says that dividing 3 both the side, like that. Okay students? So now after dividing, what happens? This 3 get cancelled by this 3, and 48 after cancellation will give you the answer 16. In this manner, the value of n, you get what? You get the value of n as 16. I hope students you have followed this. Now let us move on to the next question. That is 5m plus 7 equals 17. So as you can see students, here the addition 7 is given to us. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the opposite of addition 7, that is subtracting 7 from both the sides. So minus 7 added here, you can see this both. What happened when you are going to do minus 7 on both the side? This 7 plus and this 7 minus get cancelled, and what you get? You get only 5 and 17 minus 7 on either side of the equal. So after this you have 5m. So as you can see, 5m is in multiplication form, so we are going to use the opposite of multiplication 5 as dividing 5 on both the side. So while dividing, as you can see, this is a wrong sign. Here actually the division sign will come. So dividing 5, what will happen? This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and you will get this 5 this side. So what will happen? After dividing 10 by 5, you get the answer 2, and the final answer for m as a value, what you get? You get m's value as 2. I hope students you followed this. Now student, what is next? Next is C. In the similar manner, students, as you can see here, division and multiplication both are there. A and S, that is addition, subtraction, none is for there. So directly go for multiplying 3 on both the side. So multiplying 3 on both the side will cancel this 3. This 3 will get cancelled by this 3. Okay, and multiplication 40 with 3 will give you 120. So remaining 20p is here. Now 20 is in the form of multiplication. So dividing 20 on both the side, what you get? You get 120 divided by 20. This 20 and this 20 get cancelled. So remaining is only p. As you can see here, only p is remaining. We will copy it down here. And 120 divided by 20 will give you 6. So what is the value of p? You got it here. You got the value of p as 6. In the similar manner, you have question D. That is 3p divided by 10 will give you 6. So as you can see, students, here we are going to use the opposite, that is of division p, dumb, as I said you. As dumb, as is not there, that means addition subtraction is not there. So what you are going to use? You are going to do the division multiplication. So here division comes first. So the opposite of division is multiplication, that is multiplying 10 on both the side. We will write this. Okay, and then this 10 and this 10 get cancelled. So what is remaining here? The remaining one is only 3p, and when you are going to multiply this 6 and 10, you'll get the answer 60. So now it's multiplication 3. We will use dividing 3 on both the side. You can see we have written here. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So remaining p will come down, and you divide divide 60 by 3, you get the answer 20. So in this manner, you also get the value of p as 20. I hope, students, you are getting how to do it. The next question is number 4, where you are going to follow the similar techniques from A question to J, K, L. L is there. So in the similar manner, students, you can see this is A, this is B. Addition of 10 will take the subtraction. Okay, sorry. See, you can see here multiplication 10 on both the side. This 10 will get cancelled by this 10. 3p will come down. 6 10s are 60. Now 3p, that is 3 divided by p is there, right? Multiple p is there. You will divide 3 both the side. This 3 will get cancelled by this 3. 60 divided by 3 will give you 20, and the value of 20. This is how we have done D. That is our last question. So the next question of 4 will also in this manner only. You can see, students, here 10 is there, here 10 is there, they both get cancelled. Then 10p is in the form of multiplication. We are going to get the answer of this as 90. 10 in the form of multiplication p. So we will divide 10 on both the side. This 10 will get cancelled by this 10, so only p is left, and 90 divided by 10 will give you the answer 9. Similar format is there. Only for practice you have all the sums to be done. A, B, C, D, like this. See, p divided, this is divide by 4. We will use opposite of divide 4, that is multiplying 4 on both the side. This 4 will get cancelled. 5 4s are 20. You will get the answer. P's value as 20. The next one is division 3. You will use opposite of this, that is multiplying 3 both side. This 3 will get cancelled by this 3. Minus p is left. 5 3s are 15. You may give this minus sign to 15 directly, or you may use minus 1 multiplying on both the sides. So what will happen? This minus and this minus will get cancelled, and 15 ones are 15 will come, that is minus 15. Here the question E is there. You can see divide 4 is there. You will use opposite of this, multiplying 4 on both the side. 4 will get cancelled by 4. 3p is left. 6 4s are 24. After 3p, as you can see, 3 multiple p is there. We are going to use opposite of 3p, that is divide 3 on both the side. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 24 divided by 3 will give you the answer 8. So what will be the value of p you will get in this sum as 8. This is systematic method. Okay, students. Then f is there. You can see, students, 3s is equals to minus 9. Here multiplication s. So with 3, multiplication 3 will give the opposite as divide 3 on both the side. This 3 will get cancelled by this 3. So minus 9 divided by 3 will give you minus 3. Directly you can just transfer this minus sign here, and you will get the answer of s as negative 3. And next question is G, where addition 2 is there. You can see, 12. So opposite of addition 12 is subtraction 12, that is you are going to subtract 12 from both the side. This 12 will get cancelled by this 12, and 0 minus 12 is not possible, student, because we cannot take out 12 out of 0. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the integer method. Plus minus minus, 0 minus 12 will give you 12 and the sign of greater number, that's why your answer will be minus 12. Now 3s is 3 multiple s, that means you are going to use the opposite of multiple 3s, divide 3 on both the side. So dividing 3 both the side, what you get, this 3 will get cancelled by this 3, s will come down, 12 will get divided by 3, your answer will be 4 and this negative sign you are going to give it to the answer 4. In this manner, s you will get as negative 4. Then the next one is h, I. Both are in the similar manner. As you can see, 3s is equals to 0. That means dividing 3 on both the side, dividing. So what you will get? You will get 0. Obviously, s value will get it as 0. Your 2q is equals to 6. So 2 multiple q, you will take divide to both the side. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and 6 divided by 2 will get the value of q as 3. The next one is minus 6. So what will happen, you are going to add, as you can see here, negative 6 is there, you are going to use opposite of negative 6, that is adding 6 to both the side. So this 6 and this 6 get cancelled, you will have only 2q left on the left hand side of equality and 0 plus 6 will be 6 on the right hand side of the equality. Now q, after, as you can see here, it is multiple q with 2. So opposite of multiple 2 you are going to take as divide 2 on both the side. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So remaining is only q on the left hand side of equality and 6 divided by 2 you will get 3. So you will get the value of q is equals to 3. And k question is like this. Addition of q 6 is there, using opposite of addition 6 is negative 6, that is subtracting 6 from both the side. This 6 get cancelled, you will get 0 minus 6 here as minus 6 and 2q is only left because this 6 and this 6 got cancelled. Now 2 is in multiple form, you are going to use divide 2 as opposite on both the side, as this is a systematic method. So q's value you are going to get as minus of 3. Then comes your last question as L. Here also you can see addition 6 is there. You are going to use negative of this, that is subtracting 6 from both the side. So this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. 12 minus 6, the answer will be 6 and 2q left on the left hand side. Now multiple 2, opposite you are going to take as divide 2 on both the side. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, only q is left down and 6 divided by 2 will give you the answer as 3. I hope students you followed the systematic method, and previously also we have used this method, so I have just recalled it once again. Students, you are going to complete this till 4th question. Okay, we are going to meet soon with another video. Till then, have a great day, have a blessed day ahead. Goodbye.